All right, bit of a bonus video for you Patreons. Tony, what do we got here? What do you call this model?
This is a Flight Test Versa home built kit.
A home built kit.
Yeah.
You carved this out from what, the Home Depot store? Some bit of
Yeah,
foam.
a sheet of foam.
You've never seen anything rip like this plane, so it's very quick, very loud.
Is
Emax motor on the back.
Yep, Emax red bottom.
What's the ESC rating?
40 amps.
40 amps?
Yeah.
And what cell, 4S?
4S 1500 with a everything's just hot glued together, including the whole wing.
Let's do it. Are you going to record the GoPro?
No, that's a dead GoPro for
counterweight.
that for the weight.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. All right, let's do it. Oh! Straight into the fence.
Wow, that prop disappeared.
Is it gone?
That's all right. I've got another one. Hang on. It's still fine.
All right, take two. We'll cut to when that's ready. Yep.
I love that red quick action change. It's a hefty wing. Oh, look at him go.
Is it fast? What? Oh, okay.
Give it a fast, slow path.
Jesus! Whoa!
Kind of feel like if you're going full speed and just held back, it would fall apart.
All right, let me just dilate my pupils again.
Is that the one that just ate it?
Yeah.
The big heavy one? Nah, this is fast.
It just climbs, doesn't it? Does it even stall or it can go straight up? You got some big eagles up in the sky up there.
Yes.
Oh,
What's,
it's just what has happened?
you're going over some fields.
Where am I going?
You're going left.
Am I going left? Is that us?
Go up, go up, go up. Oh, left, left, left. Turn around, turn around, turn around. U-turn. Keep it up.
You're up.
Where are we?
You're up on that person's yard up there. Yeah, up on the hill.
It rebooted, so I must have drawn too much power, and it just shut down below the voltage of the. Yeah. So how far up are we?
We're up
Very
in
far
this
up.
person's yard up
Then I
here.
take that. I'll
We'll go around and
Maybe go knock
Up
on
the
the
street?
door.
up the street.
Yeah.
That's a different house, though, to that one, I think.
So which paddock is it?
That far
see,
one up the top
see,
right.
you're just on this one up here, not the, see the trees on the horizon?
it's the one to the right.
paddock back in there,
Back
yeah.
this one here?
Just in front of those trees.
So what's the easiest way to go? If I go up into the
Probably go up and knock on that person's door
yeah.
and just be like, look, I was just flying around and I lost, this wing just disappeared.
How quick is it?
You got a good chance? Yeah. That's pretty good.
Do you want to turn the controller off?
Receiver still connected.
What?
That's a walk.
Tony's lost it, he's going to talk to the neighbours. He's coming back. He was way up here at some house up there.
So one lesson we've learnt today:
Yep.
when you overprop a motor, she melts the mount.
Oh.
And gets very, very hot. So I think she was a touch overpropped,
Gee.
and it's caused the ESC to shut down.
What happened?
Look, he's melted his mouth.
It's melted
So
the
that
mount.
motor was getting that hot.
It
Oh,
was,
'cause
it
you've got
was,
a big
it
6-inch.
was red hot when I picked it up.
Even all that time later?
Yeah, it was red hot,
Like
and the ESC was red hot. So I think it's just cooked. It's just shut down, done an auto shutdown.
So
lesson learned.
So
too big a prop.
5S. So we need 5S.
We need 5S, yeah.
All right, what would you say to my Patreon supporters if they were going to build a wing like this?
If you want to build a really cost-effective wing that you can fly straight into a fence, pick it up.
How much
dust it
was this
off.
in total?
It
started off as a joke, but it's getting more serious
the
now.
board's about $25.
Yeah.
A couple of servos, $10 each. VTX,
Just give me a guesstimate.
$100.
Okay.
$100.
All right, it is pretty quick though.
Yeah, and you can build it with quad parts. It's got a quad motor,
Look at that.
quad receiver.
That motor's all black in there. That motor's cooked, mate.
I reckon the motor's fried. Yep. Yep.
Bummer.
Done. That's all right. Easy one. Swap it out, new motor. We'll be up again.
Do you have bullet connectors?
Yeah, bullet connectors.
Oh, you
yeah,
slob.
yeah.
You slob.